Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, as you can see, you might get a sneak peek of a few little items that are on the table. Well, guess what? A couple more weeks and we're in September, and what better way to start off decorating for fall, because it's my favorite time of season. So I'm going to share with you guys a couple little ideas on how to decorate a coffee station. Now, if you don't have a separate coffee area, for a table, you can certainly do these little ideas on your countertop. I've seen a ton of little coffee stations done on countertops in the kitchen with a coffee pot and a little tray and some little items. It looks adorable in the kitchen. So you can take some of these ideas that I have and maybe add some little items to your countertop and do that as well. So the first thing I'm going to put on my coffee bar this year that I haven't done are these little syrups. They're called Pumpkin Caramel. It's by Skinny Syrups, and you know what? These have 0 calories. So you could add this to your coffee and add a little whipped cream on top. And then I have a pumpkin spice. And then I have pumpkin cheesecake. Now this came in a set from Home Goods for $6.99. And then I have a little owl. Now I can't remember where this little owl came from, but I think this is super cute to add to my coffee bar. And then I have this little sign here that says "Give Thanks." Now, I think this is from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, you got to have coffee mugs on your coffee bar. So I love Rae Dunn, and we got pumpkin spice. I've got pumpkin love, and then I have spice cider. I have 2 of these, and this one's got the color inside. So I have 2 spice ciders. And then we're going to add a little pumpkin here that lights up. This is really cute at night. And this one came from TJ Maxx for $12.99. And then I have this little jar here that says sweet. This is Rae Dunn. I've had this for many years, and I don't remember the price, but I think I got this at TJ Maxx. And of course, this is probably like maybe $6.99. I'm thinking the price may be. And then to that little jar, we're gonna add some little autumn mix candy corns. I think there's little pumpkins in here. So how cute is that gonna look? Adding in some color. And then I have this little riser here. Now you can find these little risers. I think this came from Hobby Lobby, or sometimes Home Goods has these, and I don't have a price on this. And then I always love decorating with candles. I have this one that says Hello Fall. This is Rae Dunn, and her candles are priced $16.99. And then I found this over at, let me see, it's either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Marshall's. I found this and I absolutely love it. It says, what's it say? Happy Fall, and this was priced $16.99. I thought this was super cute, so I'm definitely going to use this. This was my inspiration to do the coffee bar with this. And then I also found this. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and found this picture, and I added these little flowers here. There's 2 of them in here. Now they're priced $9.99, and fall right now at Hobby Lobby has 40% off. So I got them for around $6 each, and I am using 2 of these in this picture. And then the picture was marked $19.99, but it cost me around $12 with the 40% off. And then I just have a few little filler items. I have little pumpkin spice everything sign. And then I have this little sunflower in this cream beige color. And then these little apples are super cute. I got these last year, and I got some of those, and then I have a little stand here. And then the other items I have, as you saw in my last haul, I hauled these when I did my Rae Dunn hunt. I got the pumpkin spice little baskets from Rae Dunn. This is really cute. This one's $9.99, and then the big one I have down here, I've already filled it with all my K-cups. So I have a ton of my K-cups in here. Now the bigger basket was priced $12.99. And then I just have a couple more pumpkins. I have this green one here. I've had this, let's see, this came from, looks like this came from Home Goods for $13.99. And then I've had these canisters here. I've had these probably even before last year. I found these. This one says Grateful. There's a small one there. And this one was priced $9.99 for the little one. And then I have a bigger one that says Thankful. And this one's priced $12.99. And I added a little bow to it. So I thought that was really cute, adding the bow. And then I'm always going to use my coffee and sugar, not coffee, but I'm going to use my creamer and sugar bowls on there. I always like keeping that on a coffee bar. And then I love my tray that I got from Home Goods. Now I don't have a price on this, but this came from Home Goods. I love this rustic wood with the metal on there. And this is the perfect spot for adding your cream and sugar bowls. And then I got a couple pumpkins, and you can find these over at Hobby Lobby. Now I've noticed at Hobby Lobby, I was there the other day, there is a lot of things that are there that were there last year. A lot of buffalo check. There's a ton of buffalo check in the stores for fall. And I have another pumpkin. And then we're going to add this little guy here, little metal sign. I've had him for a while. It says Happy Fall, y'all. And then I think got a couple more things here. I got two pictures here that I absolutely love. These came from Kirkland's. And I had these last year. Now they're priced $19.99. I don't know if they have these again, but I absolutely love this print. This oil painting here. And there's another one. And they were half price, so I got them for around $10. And I just think they're really super nice. And I have one more item that I'm going to use on the coffee bar. You can't have a coffee bar without adding a nice picture. It says Automakers, Pumpkin Patch, Apple Cider, Hayride, and Hot Cocoa. Got this over at Hobby Lobby. This could have been, I know I had it last year, so it could have been the previous year where I got it at a discount when it was on sale, like after the season. So I absolutely love this picture, so I'm going to add this. So let's go ahead and get started on my coffee bar. Well, before I get started on the coffee bar, I always add my table runner, so I have already placed this on here. Now, this was in my last haul that I did, my Ray Dunn hunt. This I found over at Home Goods. Now, I love these embroidered pumpkins on here. It has these pretty cream colors, and there's soft sage green on here, so I thought this was going to look really nice on here. And then I have my coffee maker ready to go, and now all we have to do is add in some fall decor. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I had so much fun creating this coffee bar for fall that I cannot wait for my family and my friends to come over, and they're definitely gonna have to try out some of this syrups in their coffee, and then I'm gonna have to have some whipped cream and sprinkles on top for them, and especially I cannot wait for my mom and dad to come over. I think my mom will really enjoy seeing all my fall decorating, and my dad, he loves to come over and he always wants coffee and something sweet, so I always make sure I have something sweet for him in the house. And before we go, I wanted to share with you these little apples that I got last year. Now I wanted to give you the girl's name who makes this. She's called Crafty Craft Chick. You can find her on Instagram, and also she has a Facebook page. So I'm going to link her Facebook page down below. I think now she's making the large apples too, the full-size apples. They're really cute. This comes in red and green. And she also makes the mug toppers. Last year I got this one from her with the little apple. It's got the cinnamon stick. Love this for my fall mugs. And then my favorite one from last year is this mug topper here that she made with the little black broomstick. I think this is super cute on my Rae Dunn mug that says Wicked Witch. So I'll link that down below so you can check her out. She does make some mug toppers and she might have some other things on there as well. And then before I go, I just want to mention that next week I'm going to be decorating my kitchen for fall, so that'll be a fun video. And then you can always create this look in your own kitchen next to your coffee pot on the countertop. I think that would look really cute. So until next time, happy decorating.